So, what are the different magical days of the week, and how can the day affect your magic? Well, in many magical traditions, the different days of the week are associated with specific themes or energies, and these associations are often linked to the planets and to gods or goddesses that rule over each day. For example, Sunday. Sunday is the sun day, and this day is governed by the sun, which represents vitality, strength, health. It's a good day for spells related to personal power or success. Crown of achievement spells would be good at that time. Leadership, sometimes protection. I do those on a different day. Mondays is sort of a moon day. As the day of the moon, Mondays, it's ideal for like magic related to things like intuition, dreams, things like psychic abilities, fertility. And it's also a good day to do some sort of healing work, some different types. Tuesday, well, traditionally it's ruled by Mars, first of all, and who is the god of war. So Tuesday's really potent for spells regarding things like courage and confrontation, things of physical strength. It could be competition, and it's also a good day for protection spells. I mean, most days protection aligns with most days, depending on the type you're doing. Wednesday is more in line with Mercury. It's named after Mercury, who is the messenger of the gods. So Wednesday's a great day for spells involving communication, to study, try something new, for traveling and divination. And we move on to Thursday, which was ruled by Jupiter, who is the planet of abundance and prosperity. So it's a pretty good day for money matters, things related to money and business and success, luck, growth, maybe expansion. So all types of money matters. That's when I do them. And we move on to Friday. It's the day of Venus. So that's when you do your love spells. Love rituals. It's a good day for magic concerning beauty, glamour spells. It could also be friendships, partnerships. It doesn't have to just be about love. It can be about binding two people together. Saturday, which is ruled by Saturn, of course, that's where the name comes from. And it's great for spells relating to ending things, banishing or binding or overcoming an obstacle of some sort. So those are, here we've covered all 7 days of the week. Go by your own energy too, and your own path. This is sort of a guide just to let you know traditionally when things are done. Like I always do money magic on Thursdays, which aligns with this. On Saturdays is when I do banishing work or binding work or more baneful work. I usually don't do a lot of work on Sundays, but that doesn't mean I probably shouldn't do those in the future. But yeah, 7 days of the week. If you want to go by that, or if you also want to go by the moon phases, check and see when those are related to each, where the moon is, and then check what day you're doing your spell. And there should be like double power there. So those are the meanings for the 7 days of the week as far as magic is concerned. So hope that was helpful to you. Go out and each day of the week try a different spell relating to each day and see if it strengthens your magic. And hopefully it will. I think it'll make a difference. You'll see a big difference. This is G with Aroma G's Botanica, and happy weekday spellcasting.